be covering the cleaning procedures of ClearCom external equipment surfaces. The CDC suggests that sanitation can lower all germs to a safe level. So let's make sure we grab the equipment that we want to use, and if possible, unplug it from its power supply. But definitely make sure that it's powered off. For today's cleaning, I'll be using a solution that is 1 part isopropyl alcohol and 1 part water. Please stay away from harsh cleaners. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get started. Let's go over some actual on-body equipment, headsets. We have 2 different kinds here that we use at LiveX. We've got the ClearCom or CC300 and the CC110. So the CC110 is slightly smaller, CC300 slightly bigger, numbers 300, 100, you know. So for these, there's more options than simply cleaning with the microfiber cloth. So I'm gonna start by doing that on the surfaces that we cannot alter. So I've got more spray on my cloth, pieces that are gonna be touched often by people. Let's start with the 4-pin end. Make sure that we are not getting that in the pins, but make sure that we're getting all around that piece so that anyone who's touching it is clear. Sometimes people put the cable like through their shirt so that they have good cable management. So let's make sure we just run along this as well. And give it a little more spray here. Now let's get the headset itself. So we'll start with the top. Top, obviously, that sits on the top of someone's head. Hopefully you're working with a team of people who have good personal hygiene. This still doesn't hurt to clean as well. Always good to practice cleaning procedures in your control room during any type of live show or any type of taped show. You don't know who's going to pick up a headset when. You don't know if you previously wore this, so it's good even when it's the same person using it multiple times. So now that we've cleaned the CC110, I'm gonna move on to cleaning the CC300, and then I'll show you that there are some pieces on each of those that you can buy replacement parts for. So we start at the top here again for the CC300. Make sure you're taking care of that. Make sure you're taking care of the side that goes above the ear because it's also sitting on the scalp. The earpiece, I did not yet get the end of this one, and the cable itself. All right, one thing we did not talk about yet, the microphone. The microphone on each of these is obviously very close to someone's mouth, and if it is not touching their mouth, it is likely that they at least spit on it at some point. I know that's a little bit of an overshare, but we know we all do it. So we can gently dab this with the same solution on both of these. Now, with the earpieces, there are actually replacement parts that you can purchase. So I've got a few examples here. We've got ear cuffs. So what these do is they can gently fit around the outside of the CC300. And you saw how easy that was. They safely guard your ear from the leather earpiece itself. So these can be interchangeable. You can keep it for yourself. You can throw it away every time. That's a little wasteful, but as far as cleanliness goes, this is going to be the easiest way to cover the ear. As far as the microphone goes, I'm gonna show you that on the CC100. So you can see it's this small piece of foam here. I know you can't see very well because I'm wearing black and it's black. So it's a small piece of foam here. So that foam is removable, and if you go to ClearCom, you can get replacement pieces for it. So let's gently pull that off. Comes off clean. That is now for discard. And they've got a new one that's got sticky on it that you gently pull off with this. So the sticky is only on the outside of it, which is perfect. And now you've replaced probably easily unsanitary pieces on a headset. Super easy, very affordable, and a great way to do that. They also make larger ones for the CC300 and other optional covers for the CC100. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Aubrey. I'm a producer at LiveX, and the gear you saw today is all the gear we use regularly. Thank you to ClearComm for prioritizing safety in its users. And we wish you the best of luck and the safest control room for your next live production.